Austria. Here we are in Faro. Oh hi, didn't see you there. So you want to have a quick tour of this house we're staying in? Let's go. So we've been here for 1.5 weeks now. This is our rental car, beautiful Ford Focus. This is the one side of the house. Yeah, quite normal actually. And now we're going into the backyard where most of the interesting stuff is. So this is for laundry. Oh my God, look at that beautiful view. So here, over here, this is where we do our barbecuing. Yeah, and here, the most interesting part. 3 pools. So, the 2 on the sides are actually not that steep, about 1/2 meter. And that one, it's really steep actually. So you shouldn't try to fall. Oh, yeah, do not fall in there. This is the house from the outside, from the backyard. Yeah, and over here there's a little shed we keep our stuff in. There's our pool stuff, the whatever, all those animals you can put inside the pool. Shall we go in? Here, like kitchen herbs. This is rosemary. They're like cut like beautiful bushes. Dining table. So, let's go inside. So this is actually not that beautiful, don't feel that this is where we had just breakfast right now. This is sort of little living space, like chill out right there. There's a chimney, we didn't use it because it's warm, obviously. And now we're going to go upstairs where there's something huge. So, here we have a big room with some TV. There's BBC on there, great. Sofa to watch DVDs, Blu-rays, anything. So let's go downstairs again. So here are all the sleeping rooms and bathrooms. Nothing particularly interesting, so we can just go right back into the kitchen. So yeah, as I said, this is where we had breakfast. Nothing particularly interesting. Gas stove. Great. This is sort of second kitchen with second fridge and freezer. Want to fancy a beer? Okay, no, it's too early. Food stuff, sink, alcohol, tortillas, great. So yeah, I guess that is it. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you next time, bye.